All right, we're gonna see if the hype is real. Everywhere I'm seeing, everybody is trying the foundation by Mario. So I want to see. And I went to Sephora, got me a sample because they didn't have the one they recommended me. So it was 15 for me, but I got the 16C because that's all they had as a sample or as a tester. So I got it right here. Now I did prime with my Milk already just because I am oily skin. And I've seen a lot of people. Now I'm dusting it with a little bit of my Anastasia because I am oily skin. So I'm dusting just a little bit. But I want to try it on someone who is 30 and above, like moi. So I want to see, you know, because with young people, yes, it's going to look nice. Nice is out of 10. I want to see how it's going to look on my skin. So let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on. Now, this is first impression because I haven't even tried it. And now, the way I like to apply it is with a brush and touch it up with the Beauty Blender. So, and this one is the 16C. Just had to make sure. So, not bad. So far, I'm liking it. Let me go ahead and apply it all over and I'll be right back. All right, I just applied it. This is the way it looks on my skin. I ain't got no filter. So, look at this. Okay, all right. And I did it with the brush. I'm just touching up with my sponge. I would like to do that to every foundation. Okay, I'll be honest, a little bit went a long way. I was shocked. It feels pretty good on the skin. So, but now let me finish all my makeup because I don't want you guys looking like, okay, it's all right. Let's see how it does with the whole makeup and how it looks and how it holds up. Let's see. All right, my people, I just finished applying everything. Everything went on smoothly from highlighter to everything you could think of. Look how my skin looks. It looks really nice. Now, every time I get foundations, my main thing is like, how is it going to apply? Is it going to stay? Is it going to accent? Is it going to move? All that good stuff, you know, especially since being a previous employee at Ulta and Sephora, I know different foundations from prestige to drugstore, luxury, anything you can think of. So I'm very on it when it comes to my foundation. Now, this one, it does retail for $42. I had to write it down just to make sure I get everything right for y'all. So retail for $42, shades, 30 shades. So definitely, I love the shade range. I love that. That's one main thing I'd always look at foundation. Make sure that we have that diversity. You know, I want to include everyone when it comes to foundation. You have to. Like, in this day and age, how are we mixing still two foundations to make one foundation? Nah. It has to be right. Come on now. And then we see it is vegan, cruelty-free. The technology is moisture grip technology. That is pretty interesting. But I love, especially for my age, it doesn't look like a cascade foundation, meaning it is dry as But overall, I like it. Okay, we'll see how it does throughout the whole day. That'll be the real test. But so far, so good. I like it. A+ for this one. I love